Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Shopify subscription and close your store step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. So first of all, you have to head over to the shopify.com and log into your store. Then you have to head over to your store's dashboard. If you have only one store, you will automatically land in its dashboard. Okay, then you have to click your store name or profile icon at the top right corner here. You have to tap onto your profile icon, and from there you have to tap on the option called manage account. Okay, this one, tap onto this option called manage account. So after clicking onto manage account, you will see this page appeared in front of you. From there you have to tap onto the security options. From here, tap onto the security options. Then you have to scroll down to the devices section and log out of all active devices. You have to turn off two-step verification. Make sure to turn off the two-step verification or login methods. Delete any unused login services for added security. From your dashboard, you have to click settings at the bottom of your left of the screen. Then select plan at the left side bar menu. This one, you have to tap onto the plan. After clicking on settings, you will see this option called plan. Tap onto it. Okay, from there you will see option called deactivate your plan. In the plan section, tap onto this deactivate store. Okay, and from there you have to tap onto the deactivate store. Shopify will ask for a reason. Select on or choose other. Then you will be shown a summary that your data will be kept for 2 years in case you return. If you are sure, click deactivate store. And that's it. Your store is now deactivated and your Shopify subscription has been successfully cancelled. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.